Welcome to the enchanting world of tarot, a mystical tool that has captivated humans for centuries. Originally emerging in the mid-15th century as a card game, tarot has evolved into a profound method for divination and self-discovery. Each card in a tarot deck holds specific imagery and symbols that convey different meanings and insights. Today, tarot is widely used for personal growth, decision-making, and understanding various aspects of life. Whether seeking guidance on career moves, relationships, or personal challenges, tarot offers a unique perspective, reflecting our deepest thoughts and feelings through its rich, symbolic language. Dive into the structure of a tarot deck, comprised of 78 cards divided into the Major and Minor Arcana. The Major Arcana consists of 22 cards, each representing significant life lessons and karmic influences, often depicted with archetypal imagery like the Fool or the Lovers. The Minor Arcana includes 56 cards divided into 4 suits: Cups, Pentacles, Swords, and Wands, each representing different aspects of human experience. Cups deal with emotions, Pentacles with material matters, Swords with intellect and conflict, and Wands with creativity and action. These illustrations are not merely decorative but are rich with symbols offering deeper insights into your readings. Setting intentions for tarot readings is crucial for harnessing their full potential in personal growth and self-reflection. By approaching tarot with a clear intention or question in mind, you align the reading with your personal journeys and challenges. This focused approach helps in getting more precise and relevant insights, guiding you towards self-awareness and resolution of specific issues. Whether you seek guidance on a pressing decision or wish to explore deeper existential questions, setting intentions allows the tarot to work as a mirror, reflecting back your innermost thoughts and feelings through its symbolic language. Embarking on your first tarot reading can be an enlightening experience. Begin by selecting a quiet and comfortable space to enhance focus and connection with the cards. Carefully shuffle the deck, allowing your energies to interact with it. Choose a basic spread, like the 3-card spread representing past, present, and future, to lay the foundation of your reading. As you reveal each card, consider its position and symbolism, and how these might relate to your question or situation. Take your time to reflect on the messages each card conveys, keeping an open mind to the insights revealed, guiding you on your path. To deepen your journey into tarot, consider expanding your knowledge through various resources. Books offer detailed insights and interpretations, enhancing your understanding of each card. Participating in workshops can also provide hands-on experience and valuable guidance from experienced readers. Choosing the right tarot deck is crucial. Look for one that resonates with your aesthetics and intuitive feeling. Continuous practice is key to honing your skills, so regularly engage with your cards. Additionally, joining tarot communities can be immensely beneficial, providing support, discussions, and the opportunity to practice readings with others, enriching your tarot experience.